Hello, my dear students. So, our next topic is longitude and time. So, like the latitudes, longitude also help us to find the location, and at the same time it help us to find the time also. Just like latitudes divides the earth into heat zones, longitudes divides the earth into time zones. Longitudes is mostly related to find out the time because as the earth rotates, every place has experienced sunset, sunrise and noon. So sun is facing them only once in a daytime, and in 24 hours one meridian is facing directly to sun only for once, and that is 12 noon. Directly they are getting direct sun rays because we know the earth is rotating. When earth is rotating is longitudes only for once in 24 hours. They are facing the sun and they are getting direct sunlight. That's the reason it is easy to find out time using longitudes. So the entire longitude will have same time at the point of time in a day. So the earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. That means the earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours. Or I can say the earth travels an angular distance of 360 degrees in 24 hours. So in 1 hour how much will it travel? It is 360 degree divided by 24. So the answer is 15. That means the earth rotates 15 degrees in 1 hour. So like the latitudes, here also every 1 degree we have a longitudes, and the difference of time for 1 degree is 4 minutes. For 1 degree difference of one longitudes to another longitudes, the time difference is 4 minutes. For like 1 hour means 60 minutes, so 1 degree would take 60 divided by 15 equal 4 minutes. So now we will discuss about local time. So what is local time? All places falling under a particular meridian are known to have one time. This is called local time. It means local time of any place is 12 noon when the sun is exactly over it. So as I said, the complete earth is covered 360 degrees. So half of it would 180 degree east and similarly 180 degree to the west. And the earth rotates west to east. Now look at the picture carefully. As we move east of the prime meridian, we add 1 hour for every 15 degree, and to the west we subtract 1 hour for every 15 degree. So now if I take India, the longitudinal extent of India is approximately 30 degree longitudes. So suppose I take the easternmost end of India in Arunachal Pradesh. Say there is a sunrise, and for example I say the time is 6 o'clock based on the sunrise, and after 2 hours on the other end, that is on the western side of India, people will see sunrise because the longitudinal extent of India is 30 degrees, and we are seeing the earth travels in 15 degrees in 1 hour. So for 30 degree it is going to be 2 hours. So I can say that in terms of local time there would be difference of 2 hours, and we Indian don't go by local time. So we have a standard time. Now we will discuss about standard time. Every country has a fixed standard time. So it is the uniform time fixed by each country. It is fixed in the relation to mean time of a certain meridian which generally passes through it. And the local time various places are different, so it is necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time. So some countries have a great longitudinal extent, and so they have adopted more than one standard time. For example, Russia has 11 time zone. And India, on the other hand, India extends between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So Now, what is the Indian Standard Time? India has taken a standard time based on line which passes at 82.5 degree east. This is known as the Standard Meridian of India or the Indian Standard Time. So, at this meridian is 5 hour 30 minutes ahead of the prime meridian which passes through Greenwich. So, the standard meridians of India is 82 degree half minutes. Now, if the entire country follows local time, it would be difference at different places, and this would lead to confusion. So, we have a standard time and also a standard meridian. And the standard meridian is 82 degree half minute east passing through Allahabad. In this way, all countries have their standard times. Many countries that are big in size have multiple standard time. Now, different countries have different standard time. Again, this would cause confusion. So, in order to maintain international uniformity, one uniform time corresponding to the prime meridian is obtained by all countries, and this is called as Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. Now, from GMT, IST, Indian Standard Time, 82 degree half minutes, that means there would be a time difference of 5 hour 30 minutes, because if you travel 15 degrees time difference is 1 hour, then 30 degrees 2 hours, 45 degrees will be 3 hours, 60 degrees will be 4 hours, 75 degrees equal 5 hours. So 82 and half degrees, that is we are adding 7 and half. So time differences will be 5 hour 30 minutes. So if it is 12 noon at the prime meridian in India, the time would be 5:30 p.m. So now look at the map carefully. So when you cross Greenwich, you have to add the difference between two time zones, because however, if the values are the same side of Greenwich, be it east or be it west, you have to subtract the time zones. For example, you have an example where you have 120 degree west, you have a time which is 4 p.m. So 120 degrees west, you have 4 p.m. Now you have to find out the time at 90 degree east. How can we do that? It's as simple as that. So as you move east, you are adding 1 hour, and if 120 degree west you have 4 p.m. so it could be 105 degree equal 5 p.m. and 90 degree would be 6 p.m. 75 degree 7 p.m. 60 degree would be 8 p.m. and 40 degree will be 45 degree will be 9 p.m. and 30 degree will be 10 p.m. and 15 degree will be 11 p.m. or 0 degree will be 12 noon. Okay, then 12 noon you will have shift in a day. So if it is 5th of June in at 120 degree, so in 0 degree it would become 6th of June. So here then would again to the east of 15 degree you will have 1 a.m. and 30 degree you will have 2 a.m. and 45 degree 3 a.m. 60 degree 4 a.m. 75 degree 5 a.m. and 90 degree will be 6 a.m. So if the time is 4 p.m. at 120 degree west, it would become 6 a.m. at 90 degree east. Hope it is clear now.